Hey, what's up, you guys? I'm Haswaa.
I'm Uswaa. We're Haswaa, and you're watching our YouTube channel. And today we have a very exciting announcement to share with you all. We were invited to Fashion Week in New York
By
for several brands, y'all. And then we woke up.
Yeah.
So today's video, we thought it would be really fun to act like we were invited to Fashion Week for several different brands, as we said before, and dress up like we were actually going. So some of these brands are
Chanel, Simone Rocha, Prada, Gucci, Lacoste, Ralph Lauren, and our mother's brand, Khaliqart.
These are some of brands that we take a lot of inspiration from, and we definitely gonna have a lot of fun.
So let's go.
Things that happen in your dreams. this program to bring you a special report.
Do you like roller coasters, makeup tutorials, and music?
Well, Haswaa won't provide you with any of that. But what we will provide you with is fashion, funny skits, and cooking videos. And if you subscribe to Haswaa, they'll give you that and so much more.
Subscribe, please!
Always been a foul child, always been a foul style. Our guns go boom, boom, and your guns go boom.
Okay guys, so we hope you really enjoyed this video and our interpretation of Fashion Week with all of our different fits.
And maybe one day we'll be invited to Fashion Week, but not today.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
And ring that notification bell.
And we'll see you guys in the next one.